To modernize your laundry room, install a pair of ventless Bespoke AI Laundry Combos. Each laundry combo unit needs 1 inch of clearance on all sides. At the rear, please allow at least 2 inches to accommodate the water, drain, and power connections. Both units will use the same water supply and drain. 30 psi of pressure is needed to operate both machines. Most domestic water supplies will comfortably exceed this requirement. You will need to ensure your drain port is at least 2 inches in diameter to accommodate both drain hoses. 2 third-party steam kits are also needed, 1 for each of the hot and cold supplies. Each kit will include extensions to facilitate access to the hose and supply. First, be sure your laundry combos are not connected to power. Then, you'll need to turn off the water supply. Next, attach the kit's extension hoses to the hot and cold supplies and tighten. Depending on your kit, these may be color-coded for hot and cold. Now, attach the Y connectors to the end of the hoses and tighten. Just as with a single unit installation, you'll then use the kit's hoses to connect the cold water supply to both Laundry Combo's cold water connectors and the hot water supply to the hot water connectors. Be sure to not turn on your water supply until all connections have been made and secured. Each unit must be drained as well. Insert both drain hoses into the standpipe, which must be at least 2 inches in diameter and between 2 and 8 feet off the floor. Be sure to observe all governing codes and ordinances. Each ventless laundry combo should be plugged into separate standard 120-volt outlets. Do not use an extension cord for either unit. If needed, a 4-prong 240-volt outlet may be used with an adapter to provide 120 volts. In this type of installation, it's essential to ensure that the adapter used is properly rated for the electrical current and kept away from the water supplies and drain. Be sure to consult local electrical codes for guidance and, if necessary, a qualified electrician to ensure safety.